Welcome back to Muscle Car. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, the all-new 2025 Mack Pickup. Yes, Mack, known for its legendary heavy-duty trucks, is stepping into the pickup world, and they're bringing serious muscle with them. If you're looking for a rugged, powerful, and no-nonsense workhorse, this truck might be exactly what you need. At first glance, the 2025 Mack Pickup commands attention with its bold, aggressive design. It carries the DNA of Mack's larger trucks, featuring a squared-off front end, a massive grille, and signature bulldog badging. The LED headlights give it a modern touch, while the muscular stance makes it clear that this is no ordinary pickup. Built for strength and durability, Mack has used high-strength steel and aluminum to keep it tough yet efficient. Under the hood, Mack offers a range of powerful engine options. The base model comes with a 6.7-liter turbo diesel engine, delivering impressive torque for towing and hauling. But for those who crave more power, Mack has introduced a 7.3-liter V8 option, pushing out serious horsepower and ensuring this truck can handle any challenge. Whether you're pulling heavy loads or hitting off-road trails, the Mack Pickup is built to perform. And yes, for the electric future, Mack has even teased a hybrid and fully electric variant, promising efficiency without sacrificing capability. Step inside, and you'll find a surprisingly refined interior. While Mack trucks are known for their utilitarian designs, this pickup blends rugged durability with modern comfort. Premium materials, a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and advanced safety features make it a great place to spend time. The seats are built for long-haul comfort, and the cabin is designed to be both spacious and functional. Technology plays a big role in the 2025 Mack Pickup. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. Mack has also focused on connectivity, with smart trailer integration, multiple USB ports, and a wireless charging pad. This isn't just a tough work truck, it's built for the modern driver. Towing and payload capacity are where this truck truly shines. With a reinforced chassis and advanced towing technology, the Mack Pickup is expected to tow over 15,000 pounds effortlessly. The payload capacity is equally impressive, making it a serious competitor to established heavy-duty pickups. Whether you're hauling equipment to the job site or towing a trailer across the country, this truck is built to handle it all. Mack has clearly entered the pickup market with a mission to deliver unmatched toughness with modern innovation. While pricing details haven't been fully revealed, experts predict it will be positioned competitively against heavy-duty trucks from Ford, Chevy, and Ram. With its bold design, powerful engine options, and smart technology, the 2025 Mack Pickup is set to shake up the industry. What do you think about Mack entering the pickup game? Would you choose this over the competition? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more muscle car reviews and updates. Thanks for watching.